So welcome back on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to create how to create the 3D text with the Flutter. So let's begin with the code section. Yeah, here is the code section. We wrap the center widget on the container, and container having the height of 200 and width of 300. So why it is so, it is look like an rectangular shape. And for the 3D one, we just gave the decoration to that. So the decoration, we have just rounded shape border, and color of the container is grays. So if we change the color of gray to red, so it's look like this. Yeah, it's looking like this. And if we want the shadow portion, so shadow portion is for the blackish shadow is this side, this black shadow is here, and white shadow is there. If we change the white shadow color is to the red, so it's looking like this. So it's too much red, so we just go back with the white color. We can change the color as per our need, and we after that we move into the text widget. So the text, this is the main portion to create the 3D text in the Flutter. So we just write the text whatever you want. After that we enter into the styling portion. You can give the basic styling here, and the main portion is again come here, and that is the shadow one. So shadow is two type, one is white and another is black one. So black is creating the shadow, white is just for the highlighting the text. So in on the red, over the red color, you can see this portion. So we just change it out. So we just try to change it red, and looks, yeah, it's looking like 3D, but it's all up to you which color you want to prefer. So we just back onto that, and we just back gray to. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's looking like this. We just change the background color of box as well, gray. Yeah, so you like this video, and if you have any query, then you can comment out on my video. Hope you like my channel, and hope you like my video as well. So please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.